Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and what you're looking at is my Xbox One S. And if I wanted to grab my Xbox with me, if I was going to go to my friend's house or if I was going to go on a trip and I wanted to have the console with me, I'd have to figure out how to, pack it and things like that, or how to even carry it. But there is a better solution, and this is where DACCKIT comes in. And inside here is a specially designed bag just for the Xbox One S. So let's take a closer look. Alright, and so this is the box that it comes in. Here in the back we got some information about the product and the company. So let's go ahead and open this thing up and see what's inside. So the first thing that I see is this card. So it's a card from the company that, if you're not happy, you can contact them. And basically like a thank you card. Cool. I've never seen one this big. Alright, and here's the bag. So it's plastic wrapped. I guess we won't need this anymore. Alright, and this is what the bag looks like. It's very nice. The first thing that pops up to me is this green accents around, and that looks very, very Xbox. First of all, let's take a closer look at the materials. So here we have the branding, and you can see this is like a nice finish here that seems to be like it's waterproof material, and you can see the green accents are looking very nice. So if we open it up, we have some mesh in here and green accents on the inside. Very nice. So on the side of the bag we have the little D-hooks for the strap here, and by the way, the strap is inside. It also has a shoulder pad. So going to the back of the bag, we have a cushion style soft material back here, and the reason for that is because your Xbox will go inside of it here, and it has a nice foam pad that's really thick on the bottom here. So it'll give it a lot of cushion so it can safely travel. Also here on the zippers, these are very nice little latches here, and the zippers seem to be really smooth. So here on top of the bag we have a little handle with a little Velcro strap. You can carry it around. Very cool. So overall, it looks like a really nice bag. Let's go ahead and see if we can put our stuff in it. So obviously our Xbox here goes on the bottom of it. And this case can hold Xbox One S or the new X. And as you can see, guys, that fits perfectly in there. So it looks like we have some pockets here on the top, and I'm pretty sure that's for games. And it looks like we could fit about 8 games in here. Maybe not all of them with cases, but actually, yeah, you could definitely fit about 6 games with cases in here, in these pockets. Alright, so that's cool. So once you put your Xbox in, here on the front we have 2 pockets that open to the side like this, and here we can put our controllers, cables, things like that. So I'm just gonna grab the controller, and it looks like this thing can hold 2 controllers. So one of the controllers went in nice, and another one would go right in here if you had 2 of them. So here on this side you have a pretty large pocket where you can put in your HDMI cable and even your power cable all together here, just like that. And so we can go ahead and zip this one up. And as you can see, guys, we still have plenty of storage on this side. So let's just say you wanted to bring your headsets with you. These are not really a gaming headset, but you can kind of see what we can fit in here. And these would easily go in here, guys. So you could definitely bring something quite a bit bigger. And I can just put that in that pocket right there, and it fits perfect. Go ahead and zip this side up. Very nice. And so now we have a bag with a shoulder strap. Very cool. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is a pretty nice case that can hold the Xbox really good. So if you need a bag while you're on the go, then I think this is a great option. So if you want to pick one up for yourself, I'll have some links in the description. Check that out. And if you enjoyed this video, guys, hit that like button. If you want to see more videos like this and other things I do on this channel and you're not subscribed, then hit that subscribe button. And also, guys, check out my other reviews. I have headsets, Logitech steering wheel, shifters. So check those out. And as always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.